Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to start a secret conversation on Facebook Messenger, or how to start an end-to-end encrypted chat on Facebook Messenger. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to start a secret conversation or to start an end-to-end encrypted chat on Messenger, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after opening up your messenger, your interface will be something like this, and on the top right corner of your screen you can see the pen icon over there. Tap on the pen icon like this, and after tapping on the pen icon you can see you will need to start a new message. To start an end-to-end encrypted chat or a secret conversation from over here, you can see the toggle icon with a lock on it on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the toggle icon on the top right like this, and now you can see you will be required to choose a person with whom you want to secretly chat from. It will be my friend, and it's Takeda Mahajan. And now you can see we are currently privately chatting with him on a secret conversation. Now to send a message, just normally send you like it to hello and send it. And you can see the learn more button over here. If you tap on the learn more, you can see this interface open with to help you with end-to-end encryption, and you can see all these options still available on our encrypted chat. And you can see you can also enable the disappearing messages on a secret message on a secret conversation or an end-to-end encrypted chat. Tap on disappearing messages like this, and you can see let's tap on OK. And if you want the message to disappear on 10 seconds, let's tap on 10 seconds and okay, let's go. You can say hello, and after that your messages will be deleted or will be wiped out from the messenger after 10 seconds. And there guys, this is how you start a secret conversation or start an end-to-end encrypted chat on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.